Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of showing these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. And in fact, the final hour of the day right there, you can see volume came in that much more. And I guess now that I think about it, the final hour of the day, and because today's Friday, also the final hour of the week, things got very, very crazy. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into next week. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 40 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 40, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power in the right direction. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that it is what is being represented. Once again, sure, staying above 40 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact that the party finally stopped during the final 30 minutes right up there at 59 cents. So 59 will be public enemy number one going into next week out of curiosity. I feel like, yeah, the price has not been up this high for a very, very long time. If the price can get up there and this craziness continues and price can get up through 59, next key overarching level would be that gap close up around the 65 cent mark. But anyway, look at it. Monster volume today, crazy price movement. So now it's definitely just a question going into next week of can the price build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.